In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why you might want to incorporate Ayurveda daily oil self-massage, also called Abhyanga, into your daily routine, and a demonstration on how you can do it yourself. The purpose of Ayurvedic oil massage is to balance the nervous system, prevent physiological imbalances, and to lubricate and promote flexibility of our muscles, tissues, and joints. It is especially important for Vata body types as we move into the drier season to incorporate this into your routine. And there is no better time to try this out for all body types as we move into the drier season. And here are 3 reasons why you might want to start tomorrow. On average, our skin has over 1 billion microbes per square centimeter. Oiling our skin feeds these good bacteria and helps improve our skin's immunity and ability to heal. And second, each of these square centimeter has at least 1,000 sensory neurons. It means that just by massaging your arm itself, you are calming at least 1,000 sensory neurons. This helps reduce stress and also calms our nervous system. And finally, studies have shown that oil massage helps our body naturally produce oxytocin. And the more sincere each stroke is, the more oxytocin is produced. Oxytocin has been linked to optimal health, longevity, and happiness. Not a bad return on investment for that few extra minutes in the morning. So let's get into how you can perform this oil massage on yourself or on a loved one. First, we start by massaging the head. Place a small amount of oil on the fingertips and palms and begin to massage the scalp. You can massage more vigorously than I'm doing here in the video to help bring more blood flow to the head. Next, gently apply oil with the open part of your hand to your face and outer part of your ears, reaching to all corners of the outer ear. You want to take your time. Now to the neck. Massage both the front and back of the neck. And moving to the shoulders. Taking your time, focusing on any tightness or knots that might be present. This helps prevent hardening of overused muscles. If we do this every morning, we can be aware of where we hold tension in the day and bring that awareness into the day and try to relax these parts. Moving on to the upper arm. The proper motion is back and forth over your long bones and a circular motion over your joints. Here at the elbow, massaging a circular motion, and your wrist in circular motion. And remember also to massage the hands and the fingers. And repeat this on both arms. Now apply oil to the chest. A very gentle circular motion should be used over your heart. Feel how you instantly feel more relaxed. Now moving on to the chest area. Move in a figure of 8. Moving to the abdomen. Use a gentle circular motion, following the bowel pattern. From the right lower part of the abdomen, moving clockwise up, over and down towards the left lower part of the abdomen. Now we move on to our back. Massage the back and the spine. up and down like that. Now to your hip joints. Just go in circular motion as you did with your shoulders. Moving down to the thighs, use a back and forth motion over the long bones and circular motion over the knees. Again, long strokes towards the shin bones and calves, and circular motion at the ankles. And lastly, massage the bottoms of the feet. The feet are considered especially important, and proportionately more time should be spent here than on the other parts of the body. Use the open part of your hand and massage back and forth over the soles of the feet. And of course, not forgetting the toes. Make sure to massage each toe. As we mentioned before, the more attention, love, and awareness you deliver with each stroke, the more powerful the results. This completes the Abhyanga. Ideally, you should spend about 10 to 20 minutes on this massage, but if you really do not have the time, it is better to do a brief massage than to skip it altogether. You can give yourself the same massage in the shower quickly with less oil with the shower running, or you can also do it after shower with less oil, just like how you apply moisturizer. And you will notice how much calmer your day will be and your skin will be glowing. So let me know in the comments below if you practice any self-care in the morning, and if you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, of course, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching Dawn for Life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!